How to rearrange pages in document Word. So here's one way you are going to be able to do this. So in our case, since there's no feature where you can just move these pages one by one all around, we're going to go ahead and copy each page into a clipboard, and then later on we'll be able to paste them in whichever page number or section we want. So we're going to go here to the home and then press on the clipboard over here. What we're gonna do now is just select all for our singular page. So make sure you select the entire page and it doesn't select anything from the other pages. Then just go ahead and right click and press on copy, or you can go ahead and press on CTRL-C. Then you're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing for every other page, and as you can see over here on your clipboard, it's just gonna appear on the clipboard so that you can use it later on. So we're gonna do that for every page. Now we could select every page, and if that's the case, we could create a new document, but you could always just go ahead and use the same document. But in our case, we're gonna create a new one by pressing on CTRL, and now we have each statement or document over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and add how many pages we want. So we're gonna go here into the insert, press on blank page, and now we have 3 pages similar to what we had before. So this was the first page, second page, and third page. Let's say we want to put the first page on the second page. So let's go here to the second page. We'll be able to see which page we are here on the bottom left corner and when we press on the page. So just go ahead and choose whichever statement you want. Let's say we want the first page over here, and then the second page on the third page, and then finally the third page. Now over here, it pretty much says we have a new page. If that's the case, we can just go ahead and get rid of that page by going to this page and just backing it until there's 3 pages left. But that's pretty much one way you are able to do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.